So here we are on the 15th of March, a Tuesday. We've got playgroup going on with some of our big dogs. This is Kiki. She was a stray who just became available again after going through some upper respiratory stuff. This is Thor. Thor! Hey, buddy. Sally! Sally! Sally's a gate opener. Hi, darling. Hi, Darwin. Hey, buddy boy. And over here, the two that look similar to each other, Beth. That's Beth, who is all about playing with other dogs. And then this is 6-month-old Petey. Sally prefers to have more camera time. Petey! All of these dogs are available for adoption. Good girl, Sally. Come on, Petey. Come on, Petey.